Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I want to make classic concoction rice. You might be wondering, why is Jad calling it classic? She it is concoction rice. My people, here we come. So what I really need for this concoction rice is not something that is much. It's just carrots, running beans, green beans, crayfish, asarodo, a little bit of groundnut oil. This groundnut oil is just for 1 derica of rice, so it's okay. We have salt to taste here. Then we have seasoning chicken, curry, and no, not curry because I have my Jad spice here. We have thyme and rosemary, then my seasoning cube. Finish. This Jad. So guys, this Jad spice, if you streamline my videos, you see how I came about it. But if you don't have it, you can just gently buy curry. It's still okay. Okay. Now, what I'll now do is to go and wash all these veggies now. My running beans and my green beans and the carrots. I'm going to scrape it very well and cut them into the shape I want before I'll start telling us how to make it. Then before then, this fish, that's in the mouth. When I wanted to buy it, look at how it is. I helped the ladies, all these good people. I helped her. I said, Madam, how much is your fish? She said 1.5. I said, 1.5. I was just like, wow, 1.5. He said, Madam, how much you go pay? I said, 500. He said, I beg, help me. I said, oh, so they pay you. I said it in my mind. So they pay where you go call this fish 1.5. So later we settled for 700. So the only thing where they tear pockets are just this fish, this Titus fish, and this rice. This is kimchi rice. This is what I like using for my rice. This is what I like using. It's very expensive now. As of today, it is 66,000 for one bag. Here we go. Jehovah, beg, help us. Just 1 derica. I like this rice because it stays on its own. No matter how you cook it, it doesn't do friendship. Now Lone Ranger, now it be. So guys, I'm going to go and wash the vegetables, cut them, and I'll be seeing you then. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please don't touch the dial. Guys, this is how I remove my running beans. I make sure the rope is removed at the 2 sides, just like the ones you are seeing there. So this is it. That's how I'll now wash them. At times you might not get it to be removed, but don't worry. Carrot is well washed, is there. So after I remove the 2 ropes from the side, 2 sides of the running beans, I now wash it and start slicing them. Guys, please stay tuned. Don't touch the dial. So guys, these are my vegetables, the running beans, the carrots, and the onion. Then this green beans, I'm not going to fry. In fact, all the vegetables here, I'm not going to fry them. Immediately the pot is already ready. I think it's time for me to add the groundnut oil. So the moment I wash my rice and put, I'll put these green beans first. Guys, just be watching how I cook my classic concoction rice. So we'll wait for the groundnut oil to get heated up before we put the pepper and the crayfish. This is the pepper and the crayfish. I've pounded them already. So when the groundnut oil is ready, I'll put onions and I'll put the pepper and the crayfish first. If I put my spice. We are not using anything like tomato, okay? Please guys, be watching. Thanks for watching. So I think the groundnut oil is heated enough. So we are putting our onion. And thereafter, grounded pepper, asarodo, and crayfish. Seasoning cubes and your spices. Now we'll now add a drinking water. I will do the cooking the rice. It will not be more. It's okay. Now we'll now add the rice. Our kimchi rice. So guys, immediately we put this rice now. I'm now going to add the green beans. You know it's normally strong. That's the reason why I'm adding it now. The rest I'm going to add them when the rice is almost done. So this is the green beans now. I'm adding it into the pot so that it can done properly and become very soft. The way it is supposed to be. The ingredients are okay, the salt is okay. So we are going to cover the pot now until it's about to be done. In fact, until it is done, that is when we now add our smoked Titus fish and our vegetables. Guys, please don't touch the dial, still be on the watch. Thanks for watching. So guys, our classic concoction rice is ready now. But the first thing we'll do, we'll put a Titus fish, the dry one that I told you about. Okay, you can use chicken. Sorry to tell you, before we start cooking the rice, if you have chicken, maybe you're using chicken for yours. I'm using Titus fish, the dry one. If you are using chicken, when you parboil the chicken, season it. The stock is what you use in cooking this rice, and your green beans. Okay, so now I'm adding my Titus fish now. My Titus dried fish. threshold. So this one, I'm not going to let it get to the bottom so that it doesn't start burning from there. After this now, I'll now add my veggies, my running peas, carrots and onion. Now stir. Please, when you are turning your classic concoction rice, don't let the spoon get to the bottom, please, so that it doesn't start burning too much. Okay? Going to cover it so that you can get a little bit of heat. So guys, like I said before, this classic concoction rice is not expensive. If you have rice and Titus fish, or even if you don't have any fish at all, just get enough crayfish and get your vegetables. You are good to cook. It doesn't need to be that expensive to cook. It's not expensive at all. Okay, so we are going to wait for it now to get heat a little bit so that the veggies can done a little bit, not too done, so that when you are eating it, it will be crunchy in the mouth. Guys, let me bring it so that you can see it. Let me turn off the light. So guys, this is how it looks like. Appetizing, right? And a shikini menu. Let me test it. Come and join me, please. Very delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel at Jazz Creation TV. Like my videos, comment and help me to share them. Please do not fail to put on your notification bell so that when I get to upload a new video, you'll be among the first persons to see it. I love you guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!